Here is why Bitcoin's flash crash may signal altcoin season. Crypto Daybook Americas. Your day ahead look for August 25, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin BTC $111, 142.03 has retraced to roughly where it was before Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's dovish remarks on Friday, which briefly sparked a rally in U.S. stocks and cryptocurrencies. The reversal in BTC price has paused Ether's rally and triggered losses across the broader altcoin market. The CoinDesk 20, CD20, index is down 3% on a 24-hour basis, while the broader CoinDesk 80, CD80, index has fallen 3.74% as of writing. Alex Kupsikevich, senior analyst at FX Pro, noted that liquidity appears to be shifting from Bitcoin into altcoins. Bitcoin is trading at $112,000, having fallen to a low of $110,000, its weakest level since early July. Friday's surge attracted fresh sellers, pushing BTC below its 50-day moving average. So far, liquidity seems to be migrating from BTC to Ethereum and other altcoins like Solana. However, we cannot rule out that this is a precursor, with Bitcoin potentially starting a sell-on-rise phase that may soon extend to altcoins, Kupsikevich said in an email. Adding to the narrative, blockchain analytics firm Lookonchain reported that a prominent Bitcoin whale, who received 100,000 BTC a long while ago, began diversifying into Ether over the weekend. Singapore-based QCP Capital chimed in with a longer-term perspective, stating, "Near-term, BTC appears to be ceding momentum to ETH, but our structural outlook on Bitcoin remains optimistic." Similar to July's absorption of roughly 80,000 BTC of legacy supply, we expect institutions to continue buying dips selectively. Highlighting institutional interest in dip buying, Tokyo-listed Metaplanet announced the acquisition of an additional 103 BTC, raising its holdings to 18,991 BTC. These developments come on the heels of Japan's finance minister endorsing regulated crypto assets as a legitimate diversification tool within broader portfolios. On the derivatives front, the price swings since Friday have sparked notable activity. Hyperliquid, an on-chain perpetual futures platform, announced hitting a new 24-hour all-time high spot volume of $3.4 billion, driven largely by rises in BTC and ETH deposits. The exchange now ranks as the second largest venue for spot BTC trading across centralized and decentralized exchanges, with $1.5 billion in 24-hour BTC volume alone. This surge reflects the growing traction of specialized blockchain-based trading ecosystems. Meanwhile, in traditional markets, the US dollar index, DXY, edged up 0.22% to 97.94 following a near 1% decline on Friday. Gold prices remained flat, while European stocks and S&P 500 futures traded lower, indicating a measured degree of investor risk aversion. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. Space is limited. Use code CDB10 for 10% off your registration through August 31st. By Shaurya Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Jamie has been part of CoinDesk's news team since February 2021, focusing on breaking news, Bitcoin tech and protocols, and crypto VC. He holds BTC, ETH, and Doge. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor and analyst on CoinDesk's markets team. He has been covering crypto options and futures, as well as macro and cross-asset activity, since 2019, leveraging his prior experience in directional and non-directional derivative strategies at brokerage firms. His extensive background also encompasses the FX markets, having served as a fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desks for Mumbai-based brokerages and FX Street. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Omkar holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT designation. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it.